Hey friend, in this video, we're going to answer two important questions. What does cynical mean? And how do we pronounce the word cynical? Hey, I'm English with Nate, and I'm glad you're here. Let's get started. The word cynical is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Cynical means to be distrustful of someone's sincerity or integrity. Cynical means to be distrustful of someone's sincerity or integrity. Example number one, the cynical man never trusts lawyers. The cynical man never trusts lawyers. Example number two, some people are cynical about marriage after their parents divorce. Some people are cynical about marriage after their parents divorce. So these people have a distrust. They don't believe in marriage anymore after someone they know experiences a divorce. We know what the word means now, but let's practice pronouncing the word. Check out the bottom of the screen to see how many syllables are in the word cynical, and also check out the phonetic spelling as well. But let's practice together right now. I'm going to repeat the word. Every time I repeat the word, say it after me. Cynical. 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 Hey friend, thank you for watching this video. I'm glad you don't think I'm cynical. I'm glad you believe me. I'm glad you're watching my videos, and trust me, I want to help you learn English better and learn new words. Check out these recommended videos. I'm always making new ones, and let's keep learning English words together.